It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Okay, it's cleanup day. Gotta keep the control station clean and mess-free. Wait, what are those? Wait, are those beads? And looks like there's a trail of it. Wait a minute, where are these beads coming from? Anger, have you figured it out yet? Because we're making a lot of mess here.
I wish. This is harder than I thought.
Yeah, I tried it too. It is hard. Maybe Joy can help us. Speaking of Joy, here she comes.
Oh, here you guys are. And looks like the mess is also coming from here. What's going on?
Sorry, Joy. We're trying to make some beads arts, but we can't seem to figure it out.
We're trying to create our faces with it, but we have had no luck.
That's it. I give up. I can't do it. I can't do it. Nope, no can do.
Let me see. Oh, I know who can help us. Besties, we're gonna need your help.
Hello besties, Essie here, and today we are helping our Inside Out 2 emotions create some beads arts.
Yay! And hopefully it doesn't get too messy.
That is the plan. Let's start off with Joy. So let's put this at the back of our tray, and then after Joy we're gonna do fear, and then anger, sadness, then disgust after. Let's get to work. For Joy, we are going to need lots of blue beads. So we're loading up our pen with it. And now let's go ahead and drop those in the tray. I like the pen, but sometimes it's easier to just do it by hand. Wow! There we go. I think we're done with the blue. So I was doing it wrong a while ago. To load up the pen, you actually just have to press it on the beads and it will load it up. Then we'll transfer it onto the tray. Then we'll do the eyes and her cheeks. Ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and get our spray and spray this with water. And while waiting for that to dry, let's do Anger's. We'll start with the red beads for him. Then we'll do the yellow beads. This is for the fire on his head. And then some orange. Now, let's remove some of the red here. Oh no! Ah! Oh no!
See, I told you it's hard, but I know you can do it.
We're fixing it. Next we need the blacks for his eyes. No, that one goes there. Also, I'm thinking this is for his shoes and his belt. And the rest is the color white. There you go! We just need to spray that. That way it stays. And moving on to... Wait, who's this one again? That will be me. Oh, right, it's Sadness. For Sadness, I want to use some textured blue beads for her hair, just to make it a little bit different. And then we'll go in with the lighter blue. We have the black beads for the eyes. Whoa, wrong places. You know what we need is a help from a toothpick to just help us move things around. There we go. And now we need some grays. Do 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 do. There, we made Sadness! Yay! Spray, spray, spray. Moving on to Fear.
Oh, I hope it's not too hard.
I think we can do it. We're gonna start off with the single strand of hair that he has, and we're gonna make that color black. Then his eyebrows are color black, then his eyes. And the rest is going to be color purple. And I want to use some textured purple for that, just to jazz it up a bit. We need a little bit more purple.
Textured purple beads are right here. Oh no. Oh no. We are out of textured purple beads. Oh, what are we gonna do? Ah!
Oh, Fear, don't worry. Look, I got some more.
Oh, crisis averted.
Yep, we're all good. Just a little bit more here. But wait, one more detail. His bow tie. And that's gonna be the color red. We are done with Fear.
Almost. Don't forget to spray so I don't fall apart.
Oh, that's right. Thanks for the reminder, Fear. Let's spray, spray, spray. You know what? Let's add a little bit more black on the hair. Spray again. 4 emotions done.
Don't forget about me, okay?
Of course not. Okay, let's transfer these emotions to the drying tray. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully it transfers to the other side. Whoa! Most of it transferred, and that's all we need because we just need one spot for our Disgust design. Just like so. For her hair, I want to use these textured green beads. Then we're gonna use a different shade of green. Something that's a little bit lighter, like this bead right here. There we go. And now we just need black beads for her eyes. We're gonna have to change this green to the lighter ones. Disgust actually has a pink scarf on her neck. So why don't we add a little bit of scarf?
So are we done?
Almost. We just gotta wait for everything to dry and we are going to be done.
Wait, what? More waiting? No!
Oh, I know it's hard to be patient, Anger, but it's gonna be worth it in the end.
Fine.
And I think they are all dry. Let's take it out. Oh, nice. Yay! Here is Disgust. Here is Joy. We have Fear, Anger, and Sadness. Oh, these turned out amazing.
I guess it is really worth the wait.
I told you, and the best part is, we barely made a mess.